ka Sorkar Jylla hagasngi palai kala ong ba kala Shimkhia bha hakbai de ba Jingeh balami na kajing pelong ke exam CUET la ong ba ka Sorkar kan Ïakren ba National Testing Agency NTA pakan pelong biang ke exam ha Jylla knang ba Samla pule kin umma le kene Jingeh.
We had a special meeting on this. We have called the NTA coordinator, the NEHU officials who were at the nodal department to in conducting of the CUT examination in Meghalaya, and like we have discussed, of course, the issue has been taken very seriously. Honorable Chief Minister has taken note very seriously and have decided to take off the matter with the NTA, with the Government of India, at the interest of our students. There are many students who could not, there are some few students who could not appear in the exam as well, and there are many rural, students who have not registered for the CUT examination, and our Honorable Chief Minister will be taking up the matter with the NTA and the central government, and we will be writing for those students appearing in the CUT examination to take admission in the NEHU itself, and also to give second chance, and also those students who are appearing to take admission in the colleges affiliated to NEHU to given exemption this year again. But these things will be taken up with the NTA and the Government of India. This CUT examination is nothing to do with the state government. It's completely conducted by the NTA because it was lack of preparedness, lack of coordination. The NTA did not communicate to the state government department, including the Deputy Commissioner for the Law and Order Enforcement. Lack of coordination happened. Therefore, many students have landed in the queues. Therefore, for the interest of the students, the state will be taking up the matter with the NTA. And also, just to inform that, maybe the CUT is always the issue, and therefore we are coming up with the state university. So, will be many of the colleges affiliated to NEHU now can be given a green signal to affiliate with this new state, Captain Williamson State University.